So we have comparison operators. So comparison operators, we use them to do what? To compare different numbers. Okay, like if we want to check if A and B is the same, we use the what? We use the comparison operators. This is a comparison operator for checking if a number is equal. This one is comparison operator for checking if the number is identical, and this one not equal, and this one not equal. This one and this one, they perform the same. And then this one is also not identical, and then this one greater than, and this one less than, this one greater than or equal to, and this one greater than or equal to, or this one is not either greater than or equal to, exactly the same. So what you're going to do, we are going to create another file and try to practice these comparison operators. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and create a new file. To create a new file, I just press Ctrl+Shift+S, and then I'll be able to resave the same file but another copy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this one as file number 7, and then we are good to go. So I'm going to delete this other thing that we had written before, and I will keep those ones. So I'm going to put here so to understand comparison operators, we shall move like one step ahead, but we shall explain what you're going to look at. We are going to move one step ahead, which is if condition. We have not looked at if conditions, but they are just simple things but that we use to make decisions. So I'm going to use the if condition to check if a certain number is true or not true. To use the if condition, we just write the word if, okay, and then open bracket. Then you put here an expression, and in case that expression is true, you open here curly bracket and do what you want to do in case the expression that you put here is true. For example, if I want to check these two numbers are equal, I can as well, I'm going to just, if I want to check these two numbers are equal, I will put the expression here, and in case that expression is true, then this bracket, the thing that I put in this bracket, they will be executed. So how do I do that? I'll just simply say if, then I put here my expression in between here, is equal to, like that. So what's the meaning of is equal to? Remember, we say that here is equal to, double to equal to. They do what? They check if the things are the same. So I'm going to say if A is equal to what? Is equal to B, and then here I'll put the what should be executed. So I'm just going to say echo A is equal to B. Okay, so I can say, let me change this one to this one. So so what's going to happen, this code will appear only when this condition is true. But remember, this is not assigning. Assigning is a single equal sign, but checking is a double equal sign. So let us see if this is true or not. Okay, so we shall go and run the code, and remember, this code will only be executed when this condition is true. So refresh, you can see there's nothing being displayed. Why? Because this condition is not true, so this part of the code will be skipped. But if I change this one to 20, so you know 20 is equal to what? Is equal to B, then this code will be executed. So if I come and refresh, you can see A is equal to 20, is equal to B. Why? Because this one is 20 and this one is 20. A is equal to 20 is going to be true, and once this one is correct, is true, and then the solution will be displayed, or this curly bracket will be executed. So that's how we check if the numbers are same. So we have another thing. Let me just take you one more step ahead. The other thing that I want to show you is the else part. So if I put here the else part, in case this one did not run, this second part will run. It's just either this or this. That's the meaning of else. So I'll put here else part and say not equal. So A is not equal to B, and this one B, A is equal to B. So I'll come and refresh here. You see, the equal part is the one that is executed. And if I make this one not equal, and then I run, you see, A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. I can make this one kind of bolded by just simply putting our B here, and then come here and paste and close the B. Okay, so I can as well do the same for this and close it here. So that's the meaning of, that's how we check if the numbers are equal or not equal to each other. So we are going to look at the what? At the identical. So we have just seen what? We have just seen the equal sign, but you could be wondering, then what is the identical? This one checks if the two numbers are equal, but this one, for the three equal signs, it will check if two numbers